know, Canada's auto industry has had its ups and it's had its downs, and so today I'm doing my part to help create the need for new cars by helping to destroy some old ones. I'm in Rockland, Ontario for the second annual Demolition Derby on pavement. It's fun, it's safe. Well, we know it's fun, and look what I'm driving. Come on, Canada, let's go wreck some stuff. Look at this thing. Look inside here. What's your name?
Larry. Psycho Larry.
Psycho Larry.
Psycho Larry.
Well, now I'm joined by Psycho Larry. Hello.
Oh, you?
I'm Terrified Rick. Nice to meet you. Look at the side of this. Look at the side.
Well, that's nothing.
How many cars have you wrecked?
Over 50 so far.
Over 50?
Yep.
Wow. You should meet my mother. I'm very nervous.
Why? You're not driving.
I am driving.
You're driving what?
A car.
Oh, yeah? Which one?
And the car was given by Rockland Ford.
Car was donated
That's my
by Rockland
sponsor.
Ford. It is
Rockland
your
Ford
sponsor.
and Robaxacet.
Correct.
And Advil.
Yes.
And Anacin.
Yes. So we've also got a
And
helmet.
diapers. I don't know what to do. Do you have any advice?
Run. Hit with your back end.
That's all I gotta know?
Yeah.
Back in.
Yeah.
Booty first.
Yeah.
Unless your engine's in the back.
Well, I don't know where my engine is.
It's in the front.
Thank you. What advice do you have for me?
If it moves, hit it.
That's all I gotta do?
Yeah.
Any advice?
Watch out for me.
You're gonna be nice to me, right?
Maybe.
And don't go wild and don't smash up your own car. Like, don't take yourself out.
Oh, that's the type of thing I would probably do.
Yeah.
I'm in the four-cylinder.
It's a little bumpier than the big cars, but
The four-cylinder's bumpier?
yeah, a little bit. Got a helmet?
Yes.
Keep your pretty face?
Yes.
Well, then you'll be fine.
First event, they got me into something called the figure eight.
Yes.
We're rolling. We're going into the figure eight competition. The cameras are rolling. I have my helmet on. I signed my organ donor card. Let's go.
Excellent job.
Okay, you might want to hose off the dashboard.
We'll wash it off. Yeah,
Okay.
Second place, but it was a very well-deserved.
Second place.
Second place out of 3 cars.
Sorry for hitting you there. Well, I can only say that this is only adding to my confidence as it's only moments away now until the four-cylinder race that I'll be taking part in. That was quite a spill.
A little bit, yeah, over on its roof.
You turned completely upside down.
It's easier to win when you're right side up, too.
The jaws of life removed you from the car. Look, there's your car. Careful.
That's all right. Shady.
Man, you are one tough dude. Okay, I specifically asked a number of people, do the cars ever catch fire? And they said no. They looked at me in the eyes and they said no.
You're going to be out there with 20 other competitors whose goal is to take you out.
If I die, don't let Joe Volpe sign me up as a delegate. What am I doing? This is... Okay, I can do this. I can do this. The hell with this. I can do this. Oh, sorry. Holy. Mother of God. I feel like I'm in a Vin Diesel movie. Ow. Ow. Whoa. Now, there's no need for that. There you are, right there, look. There you go, take that. Oh my God. Whoa. Okay, that's just not nice. Do you know how to get to the National Gallery of Canada? Hello. Oh, ow. Am I dead? I'm dead. Getting out of the car is the part that hurts the most. Oh my God. I lost. My everything hurts. I think I kicked myself in the stones at one point. You won.
Thanks, man.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm going to the Indy.